Annika, did you poop your pants? Did you? Why did you do that when I had you all ready for bed? Yeah, now we gotta go change your diaper again. Because you had to go poo-poo. What are you thinking?